Hello children, welcome to Topper IIT Foundation. So in this session I am going to teach you about number system of standard 6th class. So in the previous session we discussed about place values as well as face values and writing greatest number with the given numbers and smallest numbers with the given numbers. So now in this session we will discuss about Indo-Arabic system or Indian system and international system. Okay, so first we will look about this one. So for example we will discuss about Indo-Arabic system. Indo-Arabic system. So in this Indo-Arabic system, okay, so first one, so 10 equal to 10 into 1 as well as 100 equal to 10 into tens, 10 tens equal to 100. Next 1000 equal to 10 into hundreds. Next 1 lakh, 10,000 equal to 10 into 1000. Next 1 lakh, so 1 lakh equal to 10 into 10,000. Okay, next 10 lakhs equal to 10 into 1 lakh, and 1 crore equal to 10 into 10 crores. Then after we have to write 10 lakhs, sorry. Next one, 10 crores equal to 10 into 1 crore. Next 100 crores. So next 1000 crores. So like that we have to write. So this is about the Indian system or Indo-Arabic system. Okay. So here 10 equal to 10 into 1 unit. 100 equal to 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100. Next 1000 equal to 10 into 100 and 10,000 equal to 10 into 1000 and 1 lakh equal to 10 into 10,000. 10 lakhs equal to 10 into 1 lakh and 1 crore equal to 10 into 10 lakhs. Next 10 crores equal to 10 into 1 crore and 100 crores equal to 100 into 1 crore or 10 into 10 crores. Okay, so like that we can write the Indo-Arabic system, and we'll discuss about international system, or that only we call it as British system. International system or so British system. So in this international system, international number system, okay, international system. So first, so 10 equal to 1 into 10 means 1 into 10 into unit means ones. Okay, as well as 100 equal to 10 into 10 tens. Next 1000 equal to 10 into hundreds. Next 10,000 equal to 10 into 1000. Next 100 thousands. Okay, 100,000 equal to 100 into thousands. Next 1 million. 1 million equal to 10 into 100 thousands. So that only generally we write as, okay, 1 million equal to 10 lakhs in our Indo-Arabic system. Indo-Arabic system. Okay. So next 10 millions. 10 millions equal to 10 into millions. Okay. Next 100 millions. 100 million equal to 100 into millions. Next 1 billion. 1 billion equal to 1000 millions. Or here we can write 100 into 100,000 we written. No? We can write here 1000 into 1000. 1000 into 1000 we can call it as 1 million. So this is about the international system. So what are they? Tens means 10 into 1 unit, and 100 equal to 10 tens are 1000 equal to 10 into 100, and 10,000 equal to 10 into 1000, as well as 100,000 equal to 100 into 1000, and 1 million equal to 1000 thousands. 1000 thousands we call it as 100, means 1 million, and 10 millions, 100 millions, and 1 billion. So like that we have to say. Okay. So when we are writing, how can we compare or how can we write the Indo-Arabic system or international system? Just we will see. For example, there is a number. So that number we have to express in terms of Indo-Arabic system as well as Indian system. For example, 150259321. So first one we are going to express this one in the form of Indo-Arabic system. Indo-Arabic system or Indian system. So in this Indo-Arabic system, so we can write 50259 So this is units, tens, hundreds. Okay, hundreds. Next thousands, 10,000s. Next 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 10 crores. Means how can we write 150259321? So like that we can separate it. Means here what is the place value of this one? 15 crores. 15 crores. And here 0 and here 2. Means 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs 59,000. 59,000 321. So like that we have to express the number in the form of Indo-Arabic system. Indo-Arabic system. How can we write 15 crores, 2 lakhs, okay, and 59,321. So like this we can express. The same number how can we express in terms of international system or British system? Means 150259321. So take 3 your digits as one string. So here this is ones, tens, hundreds, okay, 10 hundreds, okay. Next means we can write that as 1000, 10,000s, okay, and 100,000s, okay. Next one is million, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So like that we have to express. Okay. So here what can we write? 100 and 50 millions, 50 millions, and 150 millions. Next 200 and 59 thousands, 59 thousands, 300 and 21. So like that we have to express the number in the form of Indo-Arabic system as well as international system. Okay, so now we can convert Indo-Arabic system to international system and international system to Indo-Arabic system. So for example, there is a question. Convert Indo-Arabic system to international system. So Indo-Arabic system to international system. In this, especially for example, convert 1 crore 25 lakhs 2000 500 and 2, convert in the form of international system. So how can we convert? So for example, one see 1 crore 25 lakhs 2000, so 10's place 1000 is 0, and 502. So this is the number. This number we are going to convert in the form of international system. How? The simple way, one see 12502. So simply count the digits 1, 2, 3 and again count the digits 1, 2, 3 and the remaining leave. How many are there? For example, if 1, leave 1. If 2 are there, leave 2. Okay. So now this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay. Next 100,000s, million, 10 millions. So how can we express this one? 12 millions and 12 millions 500 and 2 thousands 502 thousands 500 and 2. So like that we have to express. Simple way, the conversion of which one? Indian system to international system to Indian system to international system. Indian system to international system. So like that we have to convert. Okay. So now how can we convert the international system to Indian system? Okay. So just to see, this is conversion of international system to Indian system. For example, convert now 5 millions 300 and 50,000 200 and 2. First to convert in the form of number. Okay, so 5 millions and 350,000, then 202. So now this is the international system. This international system we can convert in the form of Indian system. So how? 5350202. So like that you can convert. So first 3 digits unit place, tens place, hundreds place, then after thousands place, 10,000 place, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So how can we write 53 lakhs, 53 lakhs, 53 lakhs, 50,000, 50,000, 200, 200 and 2. Children, like this we have to convert international system to Indian system. So these are very easy to convert. Just if you convert, you can understand. Okay children.